Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk
Well,
soon.
hey family, happy Monday. Long time no see. I think it's been since the weekend. So I went out this morning. I needed some 8 millimeter beads, and I need them today so I could fulfill an order and be able to ship it out tomorrow. I did stop by Hobby Lobby because they have a 50% off sale. Oh, look, I didn't even see that crack right there. Can you see that crack? Had I seen that crack right there, and I might have did it. I might have did that because when I picked this up, I don't think I seen a crack. In fact, I didn't see a crack. Had I seen a crack, I would have asked for a discount, but it's only $6.99. So it's $6.99, and oh my goodness, I don't know how many beads this is, but it's a nice amount for me to do what I need to do, and these are glass beads. So I need to make a couple of stack sets to be able to ship them off tomorrow because I got a custom order. Not necessarily custom, it's like pretty much whatever I want to do to the order is what I'm gonna do to the order, and it's what they want, but they do want two different sets. So I had to get some 8 millimeter, and I also found these beads, $4.49. And remember, I got the green beads last time that look just like this, the green ones. And I really like these beads, so I'm going to use these to make something really nice. So these are the two items I found at Happy Lappy. I really didn't go in there for a whole lot. I did walk through the the beads to see if there were any beads I wanted to get. It was not anything I really wanted to get. The idea was to go in the store and purchase something in bulk like this, and I was able to find this. And was this the only one I saw? I think they might have had two of these in stock. So I'll grab one up real quick. And especially when I saw $6.99, I'm like, yep, got it. And they're glass beads. So that's a good thing. It says 8 millimeter coated glass. So these are glass beads. And I grabbed these. And also because the purchase was so small at Joann's, I'm going to go ahead and do it in this video too. I did find some charms in Joann's, and then I just picked up a 16 millimeter wire. This almost feels like it's 18 millimeter, or maybe it's just me, but it seems like everything is getting thinner and thinner. But 16 gauge, and the 16 gauge is what I generally use to make the jump rings. 18 gauge is what I generally use to make necklaces and earrings and things. So, but anyway, I got finger wire. This was 40% off. And then I got the 2 packs of charms. So I did pretty good. I think I came out overall spending about, this was $14.31. And then in Hobby Lobby, I think this was like $10 and some change. So 7, 8, 9, yeah, about $10 and some change. So I guess I spent a little bit over $20 today. That's still good for all of this. Not bad at all. But anyway, I'm getting ready to get busy. I hope everybody had a really good weekend. Your weekday is already getting itself situated and things are going well for you. But anyway, I'm getting ready to get started on a couple of orders. Oh, I was going to say this too, though. I got some orders recently on Poshmark last week. I want to say last week. Last week? Maybe the beginning part of last week. So if you order off of Poshmark, if you order anything, not from me, not necessarily from me, but from anybody on Poshmark, their funds are not released until you actually rate the product. So when the product is delivered to you and you look at it, you all do all the good stuff, you do have to go back onto Poshmark and then rate the item that you got so that the people's funds can be released. So I have a couple of people that haven't gone back on there and rated the item that they got. So that only means that the funds are on hold and they should be released today. So it does take 3 days. If the customer don't go back on and rate the purchase, it will take 3 days before the vendor, let's say Darlene, will get paid her money. So if you buy anything off of Poshmark from any one of those vendors on there, just be sure to go back and rate it, and that way the funds are released immediately, and then people can go ahead and get paid. And I don't know if some people know that or not. Obviously not, because my money is still on hold, and it should be released today because I think today will be the third day. But anyway, Darlene and I for Jury by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk.